Well, so hi guys, I'm Himani, and most of you all already know that I've started my YouTube channel. And I really wanted to make this video from a very long time, but I actually completed it today on the 31st. So today is my 31st day of quitting sugar. I really wanted to share this journey with you guys because it's magical, and I knew for whatever reason it had to be there in front of you guys. Let me give you the entire story, how it began and how was it on the midway and how it ended. It didn't end. I'm going to continue it for the rest of my life now because the change is miraculous. And yeah, everyone out there should know how it works so that you guys won't feel it a new thing. Yeah. So for me, let me begin with the first day. First day was a total motivation kind of thing for me because I always wanted to start this, and little did I know that I would start it at this age past because like when you're in college you have to go out with friends for dinner or lunch, and you can't resist. But now that I'm staying at home for the past few months, and there wouldn't be better moment than now. Everything has a process, and for me this journey was exponentially tough, as well as the result was as rewarding as it could. It could never have been with something. And gut health is very important, because whatever is happening there inside your body, it affects here. So I think it's very important to keep your gut nice and your body healthy. First day was like I was fully motivated, and like finally I started this. Second day it started, I was like I want to take it, because you'll be left with no energy. People out there who are who are smoking and are chain smokers, so it works the same thing for us too. When you are sugar addict, it's you have to take sugar no matter what time it is. If it's needed, if your body needs it, you have to take it. Many of you out there, whoever is taking supplements of B12, will know that the sugar craving after taking the supplements increases to the next level. Okay, I somehow replaced it with some fruits, because I think the most natural form of sugar that you can get on earth is the fruit from the trees, like apple, grapes. You can take oranges. You can go with custard. Apple is the best substitute for ice cream. Just freeze it and eat it. Like, for me, it worked. Then you can take those as as alternative. So I did that in my journey. Third day was also the same as the second day. I was like, I want something sweet. And then fourth day I started realizing that no, this is serious and I have to get it done somehow or the other. I had to make it happen. And gradually the days passed and I stopped craving. After a week and 10 days, I was completely I don't know, my mind had made up that decision of not eating sugar, and even if I saw somebody eating, it wouldn't affect me. I had that kind of discipline, and I made up my mind like that. So it helped me a lot. And talking about after that and what the result happened is magical. It improves your physical, mental, emotional health. Like, I was carrying a lot of emotional baggages and all that, but I think it improved a lot, and now it's kind of stable. You'll also feel that okay, just happened. You don't overthink. I've seen that also in me, that I stopped overthinking, and it was kind of good for me. The second thing that I felt is skin. The glow was unimaginable. Like, before I had all these bumps and everything here, and now you can see it's like I'm not wearing anything, like literally, but still you can see it's like glowing. And yes, if you quit sugar, your face will change. Even a pimple, like I usually get pimple every month due to my periods. I don't know, it's maybe a hormonal problem or something, but since I did this month, I have not gotten any pimples. So that is also how it works. And there are many changes that goes, your body detoxifies to a next level. And there are many changes once you quit sugar. You will know, like, you have to do it and you will feel so good about it. So I want you guys to do, and let me know you are sharing this experience or whom you're carrying out the journey with. So do let me know in the comments, I'll be waiting. And yeah, that was my journey and it was magical. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next vlog. Bye.